One-day international number 4783, West Indies vs Sri Lanka, first ODI match of 3-match series. West Indies won the toss, elected to bat first. Sri Lanka vs West Indies head-to-head. Sri Lanka playing 11. West Indies playing 11. Alec Ignace, 10 runs. Brandon King, 14 runs. Kikia Karti, 37 runs. Shai Hope captain, 5 runs. Sherfane Rutherford, 74 runs. Roston Chase, 33 runs, no wicket. Romeo Shepherd, did not bat, no wicket. Hayden Walsh, did not bat, no wicket. Gurkesh Moi, did not bat, 3 wickets. Jedan Seals, did not bat, no wicket. Aljari Joseph, did not bat, 2 wickets. West Indies total innings scored 185 at loss of 4 wickets, after 38.3 overs. Nishan Madushka, 69 runs. Aviska Fernando, 5 runs. Kusal Mendis, 13 runs. Sabira Samroy Krama, 18 runs. Charit Sri Lanka captain, 77 runs, 1 wickets. Janit Lianage, 18 runs, no wicket. Kamindu Mendis, 30 runs. Wanindu Hasaranga, did not bat, 2 wickets. Unique Wellalage, did not bat, no wicket. Jeffrey Wonderse, did not bat, 1 wicket. Asithaka Fernando, did not bat, no wicket. Sri Lanka total innings score 234 at loss of 5 wickets, after 31.5 overs. Sri Lanka won by 5 wickets, with 31 balls remaining, DL's method. Player of the match, Charit Sri Lanka for 77 runs in 71 balls and 1 wickets, conceding 56 runs. Sri Lanka led the 3-match series 1-0.